This is the training for the Fanvil 610W cordless Wi-Fi handset. In the handset's idle state, the three soft keys below the screen show DSS Key, Call Log, and Menu. The DSS Key can be used to set up speed dials on your phone, up to 8 per page. To program these keys, press the DSS key and select the speed dial you wish to program. Under Type, change this to Memory Key. Change the subtype to BLF/New Call. Scroll down and give the key a name. Scroll down once more and enter an extension number. Press the OK button to save this key. This can be used for external numbers as well as internal extensions. To use the DSS key, select the programmed key and press the green dial key or the center circle key. To end the call, either press the end soft key or the red disconnect key. The call log key will display all calls received and made from this handset. By pressing the right of the directional circle, you can scroll through to show calls that have been received only. Outbound calls and missed calls. To come out of this, simply press the back key. To make a call, there is no need to dial any 9 prefix. Simply dial the number direct. And then press the green dial key. When on a call, the soft keys change to become end, hold, and more. To place a call on hold, simply press the hold key. The display will now show the call is on hold. To return to a held call, press the resume key. To transfer a call, press the more key, then choose option 2. Dial the extension number you require and press dial. Wait for the extension to answer. Once they answer, you can announce the call. When they are ready to take the call, press more and option 2 to complete the transfer. If they do not wish to take the call, you can press end and return to the held call. To create a conference call where you can add additional people to your call, simply press more and choose option 3. Dial the extension number or external number you wish to add to the call. Advise them you are joining them to a conference call. Press the more key once more and choose option 3 to join all parties together. It is worth noting that whomever initiates the conference is the lead on that call. If you start a conference and hang up, it will cut all parties off. If another member of the conference hangs up, it does not affect the call. The handset also has the option for a speakerphone. Simply press the speaker key before dialing or during a call. This allows for hands-free dialing.
Thank you for calling Comms UK. Calls are recorded for training and monitoring purposes.
To To come off from hands-free, simply press the speaker button again and resume talking. While on a call, the left and right of the outer circle will increase and decrease the volume. When the handset is not in use, you can lock the keypad by pressing and holding the hash key. A key lock symbol will appear at the top of the screen. This prevents any accidental dialing. Press and hold the hash key until the symbol clears to unlock the keypad. To turn the handset off completely, press and hold the red hang-up key. You will get a confirmation message telling you the handset is shutting down. Press OK to confirm. To turn the handset on, press and hold the red hang-up key. The keypad lights will flash during boot up.